Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiply fractions. The lesson is multiply fractions by whole numbers using models. Then we'll start the chapter mixed operations. The lessons are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division word problems with extra or missing information, and estimate sums, differences, products, and quotients, word problems. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on the chapter multiply fractions. The lesson is multiply fractions by whole numbers using models. Which model represents the product? 3 times 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 means each shape has 5 equal parts and each part represents 1/5 of the fraction. So the entire model would be 3 times 4 is 12. That means 12 portions are colored. So you can see, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 2. 12 of the portions are colored. That means that would be the correct option. Got it? You have another one. But here you are not given with the options. Okay, let's just start with the... Okay. Which model represents the product? 4 times 2 by 4. So when you multiply the numerators, 4 times 2 makes 8 over 4 actually. Got it? That means 8 of the portion must be colored. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the portions are colored. So that would be option number 1. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 times 2 over 4. So which is the correct option, 1 or 2? Yes, that would be the second one. 2 times 2 is 4. That means the shape has 4 portions and all the 4 are colored. So that would be the second option. Okay, which model represents the product? Which is the correct option? 1 or 2? 3 times 2 makes 6. It would be... Yes, very good. It would be 3. That means the shape has 3 portions and 6 of them are colored. Okay. 3 times 2 by 4. Which is the correct option? 1 or 2? Okay. 3 times 2 by 4. Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be the second one. 3 times 2 is 6. That means the shape. You have 2 shapes. Shape has 4 portions and 6 of them are colored. Okay, which model represents the product 3 times 4 by 3 times 4 by 5, which is the correct option? 102. Yes, the correct option is option number 1. 3 times 2 by 5, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number 1. 3 times 2 is 6. That means 6 of the portions are colored, so it would be 6 over 5. 2 times 2 over 3, which is the correct option? 102. Yes, that would be the second option. 4 times 4 by 5, which is the correct option? 2? No. 4 times 4 makes 16. 16 of the portions must be colored. So each of them have 5 portions each shape. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, and that would be 16. Option 1 is the correct option. Which model represents the product, which is the correct option? 4 times 2 over 4. That would be the second option. Very good. Which model represents the product, which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number 1. Okay, you can. Okay, we have left with just one question. Let's do 4 times 3 over 4. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be option number one. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next one. Okay, we're going to start a new chapter, that is operations on mixed operations. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first one: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division word problems. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, let me read. Just listen to me carefully. A construction company purchased 9 tons of marble. The price was 92 per ton, $92 per ton. What was the total price of the marble? You have to calculate the total price. The price of 1 ton marble is 92. You have to calculate the price of 9 tons. So how do you calculate? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Which operation you're going to perform? We're going to multiply. Got it? You have to do 92 times 9. Whenever we are given the price of one thing, we have to calculate the price of more than one. We have to multiply them. 9 times 2 is 18. 1 carry. 9 times 9 is 81 and 82. Yes, that would be 828. Very good. So basic thing is you just have to understand the question what you have to do. These multiply, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the basic things because we are in grade 4. Mrs. Stewart class raised a total of 945 silkworms and 273 of them turned into moths. How many silkworms did not turn into moths? So what you have to do, add, subtract, multiply or divide. You have to subtract. Got it? Yes, you have 945 minus 273 because you need to, the total silkworms are 945. You have to calculate the one which did not turn into moths. So you have to do 945 minus 273. That would be 672. So the correct option is 672. The next one is, recently the value of Dempsey's college saving funds decreased by $28. What if her funds was worth 559 before? How much is it worth now? Which is the correct option? You have to 559 take away 28. Got it? Because before her funds was to 528 and the funds are decreased by $28. So you have to do 520 559 minus 28. Got it? 9 minus 8 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 5 it would be 531. The correct option is 531. There are 1772 chairs set up in the gym for an assembly. After the assembly, all the chairs will be put away on racks that had fold chairs. How many racks are needed? The total chairs are 1772. Got it? And each rack hold 4 chairs. You have to calculate how many racks needed for 1772 chairs. So what you have to do? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. You have to divide. Let's just divide 1772 by 4. Okay, so you have to count 4 until 17. So 4 times what number is? 4 times 4 is 16. So 7 take away 16 is 1. Let's just bring the next digit down. Now again you have to calculate 4 until, so it would be 4 times 4 is 16. 17 take away 16 is 1. Now bring the next digit down. You have to count 4 until 12. So 4 times what number is 12? 4 times 3 is 12. So that means to hold 1772 chairs, they need 443 racks. Got it? So the correct option is 443. Okay, the next one is Raymond took his puppy Beans on a walk. First, Beans stepped in a large anthill and caused 450 angry ants to crawl out. Then Beans set up a hornet nest and brought out a swarm of 440 hornets. In all, how many insects did Bean disturb? So you have to calculate the total insect he disturbed. So what you have to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Which operation you have to perform? You have to add. Got it? So 450 plus 490 is 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 5 is 14, 4 1 carry, 4 and 4 8 and 1 9. That means the total is 940. So the total ants he disturbed is 940. Got it? The next one is the cafeteria wants to buy 4,620 new forks. If each package contains 6 forks, how many packages should the cafeteria buy? So each in one pack you have 6 forks. So you have to buy 4,620 total forks. So how much packs you have to buy? Basically, you have to divide 4,620 by 6. Got it? So you have to count 6 until 46. So which is the correct option? We can go for 6 times 9 is 45. Let's just bring the next digit down. 6 times what number is 12? 2 is 12 and 6 times 0 makes 0. Got it? That means we have to buy 920 packs of 4 6 times 9 is not 45. 4620, sorry. 6 times 7 makes 42 and 46 minus 42 is 4. Now let's just bring another digit down. 6 times 7 is 42 and we can go for 6 times 0 is 0. That means we can buy 770 packs of fork, each have 6 forks, then we'll get 4,620 new forks. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is word problems with extra or missing information. Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, Donald goes to a fruit stand and buy oranges, lemons, and limes. The fruit will last Donald for 7 days. How many orange? He buys 14 oranges, 9 lemon, and 18 limes. How many pieces of fruit did Donald buy in all? You have to calculate how much total he calculated. So he bought. So you have to add 14 plus 9 plus 8, 18. 12 and 9, 21. 1, 2 carry. 2, 3, 4, 41. That means the total fruit he buy is 41. The next one is Jonathan drove 9 kilometers from his house to Riverville. From Riverville, Jonathan drove to Pond Village. Then he drove 16 kilometers from Pond to Steenburg. How far did Jonathan drive in all from his house to Steenburg? So the information is not enough because you can see here Jonathan the distance he covered from his house to Riverville is 9 kilometers. But then from Riverville, Jonathan drove to Pond Village. How much he drove, you didn't have any information. That means there is not enough information to solve this problem. Got it? One of the information is missing. That the distance from Riverville to Pond Village is missing. Got it? Daryl wants to make 11 bowls of peach punch and 19 bowls of pineapple punch. Each punch bowl holds 18 liters of punch. How many liters of soda and Daryl need in all? 19 and 11 makes 30. Each punch bowl hold 18 liter of punch. No, the information is not enough. You don't know how do we know how much liter of soda we needed. Got it? The information is not enough to solve the problem. Albert plans to make 6-liter blueberry punch and 19 liter of lemon lime punch for the class party. 1 liter of punch will serve to 20 students at the party. How much students with Albert punch serve? Okay, so 19 and plus 6 makes 25. That means you have total 25 liters of punch. Got it? And 25 liters of punch, and 1 liter of punch is served to 20 people, so you have to do 25 times 20. Got it? That is 500. That means 25-liter punch is served to 500 students. It would be 500 students. Kenji baked 11 raspberry and 6 peach pies. Each raspberry has 13 slices. How many slices of pie did Kenji bake in all? So you just know raspberry pie. How many slices of the pie slices? Raspberry has 13 slices, but you don't know how much slices of peach pie you have. Got it? That means the information is not enough to solve the problem. Got it? Jonathan's Pizza sells small, medium, and large pizza. Yesterday, they sold 9 small pizzas. They sold 9 more medium pizza than large pizza. The medium pizza have 18 slices each. Jonathan's Pizza sold 5 large pizzas yesterday. How many total pizzas did Jonathan Pizza sell yesterday? Long question. Okay, let's see. Yesterday they sell 9 small pizzas. They sold 9 more medium pizzas than large pizzas. The medium pizza has 18 size slices each. Jonathan's Pizza sold 5 large pizzas yesterday. So, how many total pizzas? 9 small, and then they sold 9 more medium pizza than large pizza. Okay, 5 large pizzas he sold yesterday. Got it? Let's just look at the information one by one. The large pizzas he sold 5. The small pizzas he sold 9. Now you have to calculate medium pizzas. You can see they sold 9 more medium pizzas than large. So large pizzas are 5. So then medium is 9 plus 5 because 9 more pizza than the large one. Small pizzas 9, large pizzas 5. And you are given they sold 9 more medium pizza than large. So medium pizza is 9 plus 5, 14. Got it? And the total pizzas are 9 plus 5 plus 14. That means the total pizzas they baked yesterday is 28. This sold is 28. The correct option is 28. Okay. Okay. Cole bought 4-liter marbles and 17 bags of small marbles, 4 large marbles and 17 small marbles. There were 19 marbles in each bag. How many marbles did Cole buy in all? So 4 large marble bags and 17 small. So 17 plus 4 makes 11. That means you have to do 17 plus 4 makes 21. So you have to do 21 times 19. 21 times 19 is 17 plus 4 is 21 and 21 times 19 is 399. But you're not given with the how many marbles did Cole buy in all. You're not given with the correct option. Why? Let me see. How many? Okay. There were 19 marbles in each bag, 4 large marbles and 17 bags of marbles. Got it? So 17 bags, each bag have 19. So just bags need to be multiplied. They are just single marbles. Got it? 17 bags and 17 times 19. They are 4 large marbles. You have to add marbles that is as it is. Got it? So it would be as 328. You can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is estimate sums, products, difference, and quotients word problems. So let's just start with the test questions. A large company is hosting a conference. So far, a total of 88 people have signed up, including 15 from the United States. About how many people from other countries have signed up? Choose the better estimate. Okay, 88 people total signed up. Got it? And out of 88, 15 of them were from United States. So you have to see about how many people other countries. So exclude the United States one. You are left with 73. You have to estimate the answer. That means the rest from the rest of the countries you have 70 peoples. Got it? Okay, Sharon bought 72 bags of marbles and there were 10 marbles in each bag. About how many marbles did Shannon buy? choose the better estimate. You have to estimate the numbers as well. Got it? So you have to do 72 times 10. First you have to, you can estimate 72 to 70. It would be 70 times 10. That means the total marbles are 700. So the correct option is 700. Okay, Mrs. Griffin's class raised a total of 83 silkworms. 63 of them turned into moths. How many silkworms did not turn into moths? Choose the better option. So which is the correct option? 50 or 20? You can just round off 83 to 80 and 61 to 60. So how many of them didn't turn moth? 80 minus 60 is, that is 20. Correct option is 20. Brandy's car broke and she used $30 from her savings to have it repaired. After that, she had 692 left in savings. How much money did Brandy have saved before her car broke? Choose the better estimate. So now, after repairing the car, she's left with 692. And on car, she when repairing car, she used $530. You have to calculate how many before saving before car broke. So you have to add both the numbers, but you have to round them off. Got it? 692 is rounded off to 700, and 530 is rounded off to 500. So 700 plus 500 makes 1200. That means before her car broke, she have $1200 in savings. A cookie factory produced 962 packages of cookies. There were 6 cookies in each package. How many cookies did the factory produce in all? Choose the better estimate. So basically you have to do 962 times 6, but first you have to round off the numbers. You have to you have to do 962 times 6, but first you have to round off the numbers. You can round off this number to 1000. It would be then 6000. Got it? Correct option is 6000. Emmy works for a moving company and had to move 268 pounds of her customers' belongings in small boxes and 863 pounds in large boxes. In total, how many pounds did Emmy pack the boxes? Choose the better estimate. You have to add actually 268 and 863. But first you have to round them off. It would be rounded off to 300 and it would be to 900. So the total packs he have to made is 1200. Correct option is 1200. A wagon train on the Oregon Trail had 59 pounds of meat in their covered wagon at the start of the week. After a week of unsuccessful hunting, they had 15 pounds of meat. About how many pounds of meat did they eat that week? So you have 15, you have to do 59 minus 15, so you have to round them off. 59 is rounded off to 60 and it will be rounded to 20. That means they used as 40 pounds. Correct option is 40. A dust storm sweeps across the prairie It covers 258 acres of the prairie in dust but leaves 383 acres untouched. How many acres does the prairie covers? You have to take subtract, add 258 plus 383 and round off as well. It would be rounded off to 300. It would be rounded off to 400. That means the total is 700. Got it? So the correct option is 700. Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 maths. Chapter we've started with multiply fractions. The lesson we covered is multiply fractions by whole numbers using word problems, using models. Then we've started the new chapter that is mixed operations, and the lessons we did is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division word problems with extra or missing information, estimate sum products, differences, and quotients, word problems. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions. If you have any, please ask questions. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.